Hi, and welcome to another review by refrigerator-reviews-ratings.com. This is a review of the RF4267HARS Samsung refrigerator, and at the top here in these 5 color-coded boxes we have all the information summarized for you. Everything we rate is done from best to poor, from green to red. So let's get started. This fridge has a price level of $125 per cubic foot, and that is about $55 more per cubic foot on average than other refrigerators on the market. And this is a higher end fridge, so that is part of the reason for that. It does have 16 features and key items that we'll go through below, and that is much higher than average. That gets our best rating. The energy usage is pretty typical. It's around average at 515 kilowatt hours annually. And the water and ice features are very good. It does have 4 of those that we'll go through below. And the warranty is one of the best on the market for the manufacturer sealed refrigeration system limited warranties, and it does cover more of your expensive components such as the compressor, evaporator, and condenser, and of course that's always subject to change. As we go down below in the general ratings, this does have a manufacturer suggested retail price of $3,199. It is Energy Star qualified and it is available. It's a current model. Size and style ratings, it is 25.5 cubic feet. Capacity, it has about 2.9 cubic feet more space than the average new refrigerator on the market. Space allocation is 18.4 cubic feet for fresh, 7.1 cubic feet for freezer, and it is stainless steel available in color, and it is an LED type fridge. Water and ice features, it has an ice maker, external water ice dispenser, and a water filter included. In the fresh food section, it has 5 red check marks. It has a dual evaporator system versus an independent. You do have a separate fresh and freezer independent evaporator. That'll help with humidity control and allowing food to stay fresher and reduce odors. It does have a temperature control drawer where you can adjust that temperature independently and maintain that, ideal for meats, cheeses, whatever else you'd like to keep in there. It does have a fast chill freeze feature for those items you'd like to quickly chill or freeze or just get cold really quick. It does have a humidity control drawer. It does have that crisper where you can adjust that humidity depending on what type of food you're storing in there, vegetables or fruits. It does have that door alarm in case you leave the door open and walk away and forget about it. It will alert you of that. Convenience ratings, it does have your typical gallon door bins, has your glass shelves, and it does have automatic defrost. In the control ratings, it has 2 red check marks, one for the electronic temperature control, and it does have a digital temperature display. We do have over 1,800 other refrigerator reviews on the website. If you go to our homepage, refrigerator-reviews-ratings.com, we do have some of the best values on the market summarized for you. If you go on the left hand side, you can search by color, you can search by brand, you can search by size, you can search by type, you can search by price, and we also have discontinued models. If you have any questions or comments about this refrigerator, please leave those below. Thank you so much for checking out this review.